What if I told you that today you could create a YouTube channel for free and start building an audience that could eventually earn you money, promote your business, or help you become known worldwide? Many people think starting a YouTube channel is difficult. They believe they need expensive equipment, advanced skills, or thousands of dollars. The truth is that all you need is a smartphone, an internet connection, and the right guidance. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional YouTube channel from scratch, step by step, using your phone. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share common mistakes that new creators make and how to avoid them. Let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to DB Solution, your destination for technology tutorials, online tips, digital solutions, and YouTube growth strategies. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our helpful videos. Now let's create your YouTube channel. Before we create a channel, let's understand why YouTube is such a powerful platform. YouTube allows you to share your knowledge, build a personal brand, promote a business, create educational content, entertain viewers, earn money through monetization. Millions of people watch YouTube every day. This means there is always an audience looking for useful content. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. The first requirement is a Google account. Open Gmail or Google account registration. Follow these steps. 1. Click Create Account. 2. Enter your name. 3. Choose a username. 4. Create a strong password. 5. Verify your phone number. 6. Complete registration. If you already have Gmail, simply sign in. Now you're ready for YouTube. Open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture. Select Create Channel. Now enter your channel name like this. Next, upload a profile picture. Then click Create Channel. Congratulations, your channel is now live. Many beginners skip branding. Don't make that mistake. A professional channel needs profile picture. Use your photo and logo. Make sure it is clear and high quality. Banner. Create a banner that including your channel name and what you do on this channel. Subscribe for weekly videos. A professional banner builds trust immediately. Your description should explain what viewers will get. This helps viewers and YouTube understand your channel. Install YouTube Studio. This is where creators manage their channels. In YouTube Studio, you can view analytics, read comments, upload videos, check performance, manage playlists. Spend time learning this dashboard. It will become your control center. Click the Create button. Select Upload Video. Add, title. Make it clear, description. Explain the video. Thumbnail. Create a bright, eye-catching thumbnail. Then publish. Your first video is now online. Mistake number 1. Waiting for perfect equipment. Start with your phone. Mistake number 2. Uploading inconsistently. Create a schedule.
Mistake number 3. Copying other creators completely. Learn from others, but create your own style. Mistake number 4. Giving up too early. Most channels grow slowly at first. Stay consistent. Mistake number 5. Ignoring thumbnails and titles. Great content needs good packaging. How to grow your channel. Post consistently. Upload at least 1 or 2 videos each week. Focus on solving problems. Examples: technology tutorials, mobile app guides, online earning tips, YouTube tutorials. Respond to comments. Build a community. Always improve your video quality. Small improvements create big results over time. That's it. Now, you know how to create and set up a professional YouTube channel from scratch. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to DB Solution. Comment below and tell me, what type of content are you planning to create? Thank you for watching. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.